Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video I will show you how to move the Start menu back to the left corner in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. If you have upgraded to Windows 11, you might have noticed the Start menu has moved to the center of the taskbar by default. For many, this is a departure from the familiar left corner placement of previous Windows versions. Luckily, you can easily revert this change with a few simple steps. First, open your Windows 11 settings. You can do this by clicking the Start menu icon and then selecting the Settings gear. Once the Settings window is open, navigate to Personalization from the left-hand menu. In the Personalization section, scroll down and click on Taskbar. This is where you will find all the customization options for your taskbar. Now, scroll to the very bottom of the taskbar settings and look for the option labeled Taskbar Behaviors. Click on this to expand the section. You will see a drop-down menu for taskbar alignment. By default, this will be set to center. To move your Start menu back to the left, simply click this drop-down menu and select Left. Instantly, your Start menu will be repositioned to the left corner, returning to the classic layout many of us are accustomed to. While you are in the taskbar settings, feel free to explore other customization options. You can choose to hide the taskbar automatically, combine taskbar buttons, or hide labels. These further adjustments can help you tailor your Windows 11 experience to your preferences. Many users find the left-aligned Start menu more intuitive, especially when transitioning from earlier versions of Windows, as it maintains a sense of familiarity and efficiency in system navigation. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.